It's one of the biggest topics right now in the U.S. We're talking about immigration.
Yeah, families being separated at the U.S.-Mexico border, and at least 125 of those families are now living right here on the First Coast.
And that number is just an estimate, really. And a Jacksonville nonprofit is trying to bring attention to getting those families some help and some resources.
Robert Bradfield is on your side tonight. He spoke with those workers, and he joins us live now with their story. Robert.
And it is something really that these attorneys have devoted years to helping these families. Again, many of them fleeing their home countries, avoiding possibly being killed. And attorneys with the Jacksonville Area Legal Aid do tell me today that they know that immigration is a controversial topic, but it's something they say they want to tackle because it is the right thing to do. Scenes like this are hard to fathom for immigration attorney Valerka Bilbao.
I think we are forgetting about our ideals as Americans.
She works for Jacksonville Area Legal Aid, a nonprofit trying to find families who are now living on the First Coast, who were separated along the border.
We know that there's at least 125 of them, but we are not sure if there are more.
She and her staff are handling almost 700 open cases. Each case and each family requires hours of work that's paid for through grants and donations.
We have a huge kind of push right now for citizenship because we know that those who are here right now, if they commit any crimes, even a minor traffic citation, can potentially land them in deportation proceedings.
Andrea Pinzone is JALA's Immigration Unit Director. She's been told one of the grants paid to her this year will be less next year. So she's planning to work with less, despite what could be an increase in casework in 2020. She's also looking to add an attorney devoted only to detainee cases, something that's currently not offered.
Nobody in the community that I know, a nonprofit, doing this type of work. It's very necessary.
And those folks at JALA also telling me today that they know there are some families here along the First Coast that may be too scared to come forward or talk to them about their specific stories. And that is why they do offer walk-in hours at their West Adams Street location. Also, they do accept donations. Again, as a nonprofit, we will be posting their information on firstcoastnews.com. Live tonight, Robert Bradfield, First Coast News, on your side.